Here are this week's spelling words, and what they have in common is the final schwa plus r sound. All of the words this week have the sound at the end, like in banner, or motor, or beggar. So notice your words are ending in ER, AR, and OR, but they all say at the end. The other thing that these words have in common is that when you say them, your stress is actually on the beginning syllable. So the word shower has two syllables, but the stress is on the first syllable, shall. In mirror, you've also got two syllables, but the stress is on the first syllable, mirror. Okay, the same for fever. Again, two syllables, but the stress is on the fee at the beginning. Now we're ready to say your spelling words, and then we'll move on to the activity for today. Enter, banner, sugar, shower, motor, collar, labor, finger, mirror, beggar, favor, bother, fever, doctor, temper, actor, polar, sweater, traitor, harbor. Your review words for this week don't follow the rule that the rest of the words follow. These words follow a rule from another week. Idea, February, science, meteor. And here we are back to the rule for this week's words with the challenge words. Armor, partner, whenever, circular. Those are your words for this week. Now you're ready to move into the activity for today.